Hello, my name is Andy Mark. I'm the owner and primary photographer for Memories of Andy, a northern Michigan-based photography business. Split Rock Lighthouse has been on my bucket list for a number of years, since I first saw the photo of her during a big Lake Superior storm. Split Rock Lighthouse has stood watch over Lake Superior since 1910. She stands tall and proud on Lake Superior's north shore. Sitting on a 133-foot sheer cliff helps her look just a little more majestic. Split Rock's brick and concrete octagonal building is topped with a large steel lantern, giving her a very unique look compared to many Great Lake lighthouses. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you have not already. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the other side of the lens.